Hey guys, just wanted to introduce you to a brand new platform called HunteX. This is a Telegram trading app. I'll tell you, this thing can make you very, very fast profit. You got to be careful though, because you can take some very fast losses if you don't know what you're doing. That's why it's important that you try out the demo mode first before you play with real money. But yeah, let's take you through it. It's a brand new platform, and yeah, we'll go. Basically take a look over my shoulder. So I'm basically gonna take you through demo mode and play around with it live on video so you can see how this thing works. So again, you're gonna see this live. Okay, I haven't even played around with this yet. Haven't loaded any funds into it. You're gonna see me play around with the demo mode. You're gonna see me either make some money in demo mode or lose some money in demo mode. But yeah, you can make once we start getting the hang of it, we're gonna start doing some video playing with live money with this thing. And you're gonna see me either make some money, lose some money. It'll be fun. It's kind of like a game, kind of like a I don't want to say gambling game, but essentially what you're doing is you're betting on the price of Bitcoin going up or going down. You can make money on the price going up or going down. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right in, show you what this thing is about. We'll take you through the Git book real quick, and then basically take you through the app on Telegram, guys. So of course, it goes without saying that you need to have a Telegram to use this. So again, if you're not on Telegram, get you a Telegram. It's free. You know, don't know why you wouldn't have a Telegram nowadays, but get you a Telegram. So, real quick, not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you are going to get into HunteX or anything we talk about, please do your own research and due diligence and know that there is risk involved with anything you do in the crypto space, trading space, passive income space. Or if you're going to get in, risk capital only, guys. Funds you can afford to lose. Okay. Obviously, there's opportunities to make gains, but anytime there's opportunities to make gains, the flip side of that is there's also potential for loss. You got to be okay with both. Okay. So again, you got to manage your risk and you just got to be smart with what you do out here. So again, risk capital only. Also follow me on Telegram. Again, you have to have a Telegram to follow me on Telegram. But again, follow me on Telegram. I'll leave a link for that down below. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So that being said, this platform is called HunteX. It's very, very new. Again, it is a Telegram trading app. And yeah, again, you can make very, very fast profit. You can lose as well, okay? But again, there's potential to make fast profit. Withdrawals are instant. And again, it is on, I don't know if I mentioned this, but it is on Binance Smart Chain. Withdrawals and deposits are using USDT BEP20. Okay, so again, what I would encourage you to do is go through some of these links first and foremost before you start getting into the app. Even though there's a demo mode, which I would encourage you to play with before you start playing with the real money, is get familiar with it. Click through some of these links. Obviously, go through the Get book, which I'm going to show you here in a second. This is what the app looks like. Again, no hidden fees. You only pay a small little fee when trades are profitable. You earn in seconds, 1000x leverage. So you can make fast profit. Of course, you can make fast losses as well. So again, just manage it. You don't have to go all the way to 1,000. Okay. So again, you can manage this. And then the withdrawals are instant straight to your crypto wallet. Okay. There's also a welcome bonus. We'll talk a little bit about that here in a second. Get a you can get a free first $10, right, as a bonus. And again, I would encourage you to click through this education right here. You can learn some strategies. You don't have to learn every single strategy out there because at the end of the day, again, the way you're going to learn this is just by doing and playing around with the demo mode. Okay, that's the reality of it. You're just going to have to play around with the demo mode if you want to learn how to use this app. But here's the Get book. This will kind of take you through a lot. This is what it looks like. Again, I'll take you through the app here in a second. So again, just get familiar with it. You don't have to learn all of the terminology here, but obviously, if you don't know what the basics are, it'll probably make sense for you to go through this Git book real quick. Here's the white paper legend. Here's what the the web app looks like. So again, basically what you're doing is you're looking at the price of Bitcoin and you're betting on, essentially, right? For lack of a better term, you're betting on the price either going up or going down. And then you can make money on the price, if the price either going up or going down. In other words, if you think the price is going to go up, you go long. If you think the price is going to go down, you go short, and then you can place some trades. Okay, so again, I'm going to show you that here in a second. Again, it's on Telegram, so you're going to have a lot of these buttons pop up on Telegram. Very simple. Your wallet. There is a referral program, the trade button right here. I'll show you here in a second. And of course, there's a support button. So again, I just basically clicked on start. So that's all I basically clicked on. So you're gonna basically see me go through it from basically seeing it from the first time. You're gonna see exactly what you're gonna see. You're gonna see me do it on video. Okay. So again, just you can go through some of this. I'm not gonna go through all of this. You can kind of go through this yourself. Here are some of the trading guidelines, right? Trading modes. Again, there's a demo mode, which I would encourage you, as I said before, definitely encourage you to go through that. The demo mode provides you with 5,000 demo balance. Of course, that's not real money, but you can play around with it, get the hang of it before you put in, you deposit your real money into it. You get the hang of it. Okay. You see if there's anything else. So here, of course, when you're using demo mode, you'll be able to see that you're using demo mode right here. Okay. You can play around with it. Once you get the hang of it and you want to put in, your real funds, deposit USDT BEP20. So again, the way you do that, just like any other platform, you click on wallet, it'll give you an address. You can deposit USDT BEP20. Gives you a little address right there. Send your USDT, and you can trade with that. Okay. Again, only put in what you can afford to lose. Of course, a lot of this will make sense once you play around with the demo mode. You can open positions. You'll click trade. Of course, you're not going to be in demo mode anymore once you're depositing real funds, and you can start opening up real positions. Okay. The blue demo mode banner thing is not going to be up there anymore. That's when you're using real funds. Okay. So again, you'll either go long, which means that you think that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up, or you can go short, which means you think the price of Bitcoin is going to go down. Here's where you set your margin, right? How much money you're willing to put in. And then here's your leverage. Again, you can go all the way up to 1,000, which I probably don't recommend. Start a little bit lower, maybe at 100 maybe, and then maybe work your way up a little bit. But again, the higher you go with the leverage, yes, you can make more faster. You can also lose more faster. Okay. So again, be careful with that. Maybe stay at, anywhere from 100 to 300 in the beginning, and then, play around with it based on, how you feel. But don't be jumping to 1,000 right away. Because then you can lose pretty quick. Okay. Then you would just click on the green button, place your order, and then you can track all your orders as well. Okay. Then you can manage your positions. You can have more than one position going at one time. You just can't have a long and a short going at the same time. But you can have multiple longs going, or you can have multiple shorts going. You just can't have, a long and short going at the same time. Okay. You can also place a stop loss or take profit order. That's another thing you can do. So you can set parameters for your trades. For those of you guys that are traders, you probably already know what that is. So you can again, set parameters. If you want to set, for example, if you want to set a stop loss and maybe set, I don't know, just pick numbers out of thin air here. Let's say you want to have like 30% stop loss, or you don't want to go below a certain amount because you don't want to get totally liquidated. Because if you get totally liquidated, you'll blow your account and lose all your funds. You can set it for a certain amount, and then automatically you'll exit the trade if you hit a certain amount. It's kind of basically saying, hey, this is your threshold. This is the amount you're willing to lose. If you hit that number, you automatically exit the account, and vice versa. You can have a take profit where you set it for a certain amount. If you hit a certain profit percentage, you're willing to exit the trade. So you can do that. You don't have to, but you can do that. Okay. Obviously, you can withdraw your funds, draw it out to your wallet, USDT, BEP20, right? So again, you can play around with the app. Okay, your demo mode app. You'll be good to go. Obviously, you can check your trade history. So again, it's all there, right? So let's jump into the app real quick. Okay, if I go to the app right quick, if I click on trade, I clicked on trade. So what I did is I clicked on start, right? I'll leave a link down below. Click on that link. It'll take you to the app, and just click on start. So I clicked on start because I was like, what is this? I clicked on start, and it told me to it takes you to this little bubble right here. And then this is what popped up. I'm like, okay, what is this? I clicked on support. This is what popped up. I clicked on trade, kind of see what happens. And then this bubble popped up right here where it says you are using demo mode. You've opened HunteX in demo mode. Now you can decline it, where it says no, thank you, right? And just jump into playing with real money. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try demo mode. This is my first time seeing this. I'm going to try demo mode. Once I get the hang of it, I'll play around with it for like a day or so. Then I'll fund my account and start playing with real money. And I'll do videos using live money, of course. But in the beginning, I want to just get the hang of it. That way, if I'm losing money, I'm not losing real money, right? So I'm going to click on try demo. So you see that blue banner right there. It says here you are using demo mode, and I have a $5,000 account, so we're good. We're using demo money here. So if we take a loss, it's okay. We're just kind of practicing, right? So here you can kind of see the price of Bitcoin. It's going up, it's going down. People are buying, people are selling. And you can kind of see what the trend is like. So you can see it's kind of going down right now. So here's the app, by the way. I should probably be looking at the price, but I want to show you what the app is. Here's long. You can click on long. You can click on short. Here's the amount that you're putting in, and then this is the leverage. So again, I can go crazy here and go all the way to 1,000, which I'm not. I'm going to leave it at 100. I don't have any trades, or I haven't done any trades yet. So here you'll see the trade history once I start doing trades. Here I'm going to put in like $100. I got 5,000 to blow, right? It's my demo account, so I'm rich. I could blow that money, right? So let's go ahead and let's just see whether we should go long or short. It's going up and down right now. So do we think it's going to go up, or do we think it's going to go down? Well, let's go short. Now it's going up. You see, so I went short because I saw it was going down, but now it's going up. So you see, I'm at a loss. You see right here, I'm at a loss at $9. So I can either keep it open and it'll continue to go up, and I can close out. See, I can close this out. Once I hit like $20, I'll probably close it out. Right? I can stay here and leave it open. Yeah, I'll probably just close that out. See, I'll close that out. And I just took a loss of, what was that? $66, right? So the price of Bitcoin, I shorted it and it went crazy up right here. So I took a loss of $66. I mean, I don't care. It's not real money, right? Um, so if this was real money, I probably wouldn't have let it go all the way up to $66. I probably would have stopped it at like 25 or $30. So again, you can either let it ride, or you can kind of be patient if you think it's going to go the other way, because sometimes it goes the other way, right? So again, let's play again. And I use the word play because to me, this is more like, this is like, it's almost like gambling, right? Well, let's see what happens here. We have a long position going, right? Now it's going down. It's going up a little bit. I'm up to 14 bucks. It might come down a little bit. Let's close that. Let's close that at 11 bucks. We made 11 bucks, right? We're still down because we lost 66 bucks over here, but who cares? But that's how you would play this game, right? So again, you would just kind of play the game. You would make some, lose some, play some, make some, lose some, right? And you would just kind of look at the price of Bitcoin right here. Let's play again. Just get the hang of it. Again, I'll probably play with this for like maybe like a day, and then I'll put in like real money tomorrow, something like that. And then, my goal would probably be like if I can make like 100 bucks a day with this, or anywhere from 100 to 200 bucks a day, which who knows, maybe I will, maybe I won't, maybe I'll take some losses. But if I can make anywhere from 100 to 200 bucks a day with this, um it's worth playing with it, right? Because again, you can make it pretty quick. So if I spend an hour a day with this, and if I can make 100 to 200 bucks a day, um we'll see what happens. It's going down. So the key is, do you be patient, or do you try to let it ride? I'm going to close that one. I was trying to close it at 19, but closed a little bit late. So here I made 17, right? So you could see, like, you could make, this one, I just kind of just let this one ride. If I didn't make this trade here, I would have made 11 bucks here. I would have made 17.50 here. Um, but you can see how you can make a couple of bucks, right? Of course, you might make a loss here and there, but you can make some money pretty quick. Again, you can take some losses pretty quick too. So you got to be careful, right? And again, you just have to just know what your risk tolerance is. And the key is, don't try to make like 50, 60 bucks on a trade. The key might be to make, you know, to make small wins, right? If you can make small wins, a couple of small wins, that's probably better than trying to make like a big grand slam, right? Trying to make like, 60, 70 bucks on a trade, you might not make that one, right? But if you can make 6 bucks here, 7 bucks here, 8 bucks here, 9 or 10 bucks, and you can do that multiple times, ultimately at the end of the day, you'll have like a big day, right? So again, we're just playing around with this. We've just done 3 trades, so we're still kind of getting the hang of this. We're gonna play around with this today, and again, we'll come back and do real trades with real money. But you can see how this thing works. You're just kind of betting on the price, whether it's going up, whether it's going down. A lot of it is, kind of it's definitely a degen play, right? You're just kind of betting on whether the price is going to go up or it's going to go down, and then trying to pull out while you're in profit, right? But again, you could make, if you're quick, you can make 20, 30 bucks, 40 bucks, in a matter of seconds. Key is not to get greedy, right? The key is to be able to pull out quickly and not get greedy, and not try to let it ride and let it ride, because it can turn around on you real quick, and you can end up in a loss. If that makes sense, right? So that's pretty much it. That's it. Again, the key to this is just to play around with the demo mode and kind of get the hang of it before you put in real money. Okay. I'm gonna probably fund this thing with $1,000 and start playing with this. But again, I want to play around with the demo mode first. Um, you see how it's going down? And now I opened up a long and then now it's starting to go down. So I'm going to be at a loss with this one. I might just have to close it at a profit, or I close it if I break even. I might just close it and get into another trade and not just end up at a loss. Jeez. Oh, I should have held it. See, but see now it's going down. See, at least I closed it and broke even instead of holding it and see how it's going down. I would have been at a loss. But at least I closed it and I was in green, right? So again, you have to know when to jump out of some trades. At least I jumped out when it was green, and I could just start brand new and start a new trade, right? So again, you just play around with this, make multiple trades, and again, some trades might be little. You might make $1 here, $2 here, $5 here. Not every trade you're gonna make $20 or $30. You might make, you know what I mean? But again, as long as you have multiple trades that are green, at the end of the day, you'll look at it and you might have like $100 day or a $200 day. Again, depending on how much you're playing with, of course, right? So anyway, this is fast money. Okay. Fast money means fast profit. Flip side of that is, potential for fast losses. So be careful with this. This can be you got to be careful. Ooh, that could have been a, see, I'm again with this, I'm talking as I'm doing the video. So I'm not doing the trades as I probably would be doing if I was just kind of concentrating. So again, these trades that I'm doing right here, I'm kind of talking and showing you and then talking through it. If I was just quiet and just concentrating, I'd probably be trading a lot differently. But I'm just kind of showing you how this works. But that's how simple it is. Okay. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I got to run and do a couple of things. I'm going to come back, play with this thing around, play around with this thing. Um, and yeah, again, my goal is to make 100 to $200 a day with this. Will I hit my goal? I don't know. I might take some losses. We'll see. But you can see here, look, if I wasn't, effing around with this stupid trade here, where I just kind of let it run because I was talking yap in my mouth here, just in a matter of like seconds, I would have made like about $30, right? In a couple of seconds. So is it feasible to make $100 a day? Yeah, yeah. Not guaranteed. You can take some L's, but definitely feasible, definitely doable. Is it a high risk? Yeah, definitely high risk, but that's what we're here for, right? High risk, high reward. So click the link down below, check it out, play around with the demo mode before you throw some real funds in it. Let's make some gains. Again, I'll come back with some other videos where we're playing with real money and we'll have some fun with this. All right. All right, guys. I will catch you on the next video. Have a great day. As always, do your own research, do your own due diligence. Risk capital only. Follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Peace.